Swerte mo.
If meron ka ng error coin na ito, watch this video.
Magandang araw mga troopers.
Welcome to our channel.
25 centimos, double struck, mint error.
If a coin fails to be properly ejected from the striking chamber after being struck,
And the dice come down again to strike the coin again. Double strike occurs.
ayan, yan nakikita nyo na yan. Diba dumoble mga ka-troopers? Ayan yung reverse side eh. Ayan naman yung both side, yung obverse at reverse. Nakita ninyo yung error? Ayan. The estimated value of this error coin according to a collector's standpoint is 3,000 pesos. Mga ka-troopers, please don't forget to like, subscribe,
And hit the bell button
para updated kayo sa mga coins na kailangan pa namin.
para sa aragdagang kaalaman tungkol sa pagbili at pagbenta ng inyong mga coins.
Thanks for watching. Until then,
God bless!